Every dream begins with a vision, a spark of inspiration that ignites the fire within. For as long as I can remember, I've had a passion for creating films. From the moment I picked up my first camera, I knew. This is what I wanted to do. But having a space to bring my ideas to life has always felt like a distant dream. Welcome to the beginning of a new chapter. For years, I have dreamt of having a dedicated space where my filmmaking passion can thrive, and this cozy home studio is just that. It's not perfect from any angle. There's no AC. It's a bit cramped as well, as the room has only 4 by 4 feet. But this space represents so much more than just 4 walls. It's a place where my passion for making films can truly come alive. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Muhammad Abu and this is a very special video. Special, you may ask. Why is that? So if you have already seen the thumbnail and the title to this video, you probably have an idea what I will be talking about in this video. But let me tell you again, because this is my video and I can say whatever I want. Every filmmaker dreams to have a place that they can call their own, where every shot, every scene, every frame can be crafted into a perfection. And this new studio setup is all about making that dream into a reality. See, I've been making films for about 5 to 6 years now. I've been taking breaks from it as because I was doing a job and could not be more productive. But over the past few years, I have collected so many gears, new cameras, new mics, lighting setups, everything. And when I moved into a new flat, there was this storeroom, this room in which I'm sitting and recording right now. It used to be a storeroom, it used to be a spare room. So I've decided to move out all the trash, all the extra stuff that was placed here and replace it with my own, my cameras, my gears, my lights, everything. ताकि मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के सिर्फ और सिर्फ फिल्म बना सकूँ, फिल्म के आइडिया सोच सकूँ और जल्दी पोस्ट कर सकूँ. Talking about the gears, let me show you how I record these videos, which tools do I use. So this is this complete setup. कैमरा मुझे रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है, ये माइक का इनपुट यहाँ पे है. अगर आप माइक देख पा रहे हो, let me bring it into the frame. Yeah, hello, hey. So this is the setup. This is an additional light. ये अलग से एक रिंग लाइट ली थी मैंने. It is being used as a fill light. तो अगर आप देख पा रहे होंगे, this side of my face is being brightened by this Digitech light. It's a 150 watt light. ये mic का input है, which is directly being plugged into my laptop. That camera which is recording me is Canon M50 और जो lens उस पे लगा है, that's a 50mm 1.8. But this video is not about the case. It's not about this mic, it's not about that camera, it's not about that light. It's about the passion of creating films. See, I've been creating films for far too long that I can remember even now. जब मेरे पास Redmi Note 5 Pro phone हुआ करता था, I remember for the very first time when we went to Manali. It was a college trip and I recorded my first film. I used Adobe Premiere Pro उस टाइम पे ताकि मैं सीख सकूँ कि एडिटिंग करते कैसे हैं. I screwed it up. There was all the frames of it was shot in 120 FPS. It was everywhere there was slow motion. There was a natural speed ramps. The color grading was way off. But I was learning. And I'm still learning to this date. So ये जो setup है मेरा, it's not about the gears, it's more about feeling. I would get into that workspace जहाँ पे रह के मैं फिल्म बना पाऊँगा. And hopefully मैं ये जर्नी आप सबके साथ शेयर करता रहूँगा. And if I'm being regular, if I'm being continuous on this channel, it means that all the mehnat that I have been pouring into this, all the setup is paying off. And you can support my channel by liking this video. If you have any suggestions for small studio setup, I would welcome all the suggestions and you can leave them in the comments. Thanks for joining me into this journey. It's been a lot of work, but seeing everything comes together, that feeling is very rewarding. If you have enjoyed this video or found it helpful or entertaining, like I mentioned, you can give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one. Happy filming. Bye. अरे यार